Welcome to Bulwell Self-Storage for convenience, security, accessibility and affordability. We're easy to find near the M1 and A610 with plenty of parking and unloading space. We have 150 units of varying sizes to take whatever you want to store. The site is totally secure, monitored round the clock with a direct link to the police. We don't use containers. That means you don't suffer the problem of your possessions being moved around by large machines which can't handle your goods with care. And there'll be no condensation problems, as all our units are fixed structures inside a dry concrete building with a built-in ventilation system. We provide trolleys and sack barrows in different shapes and sizes for you to move your possessions around. Whether you want to store your possessions because you're moving home or going travelling, you're looking for somewhere secure to store your business equipment. Whatever the reason, you can't do better than Bulwell Self-Storage. Quality in store.